Welcome to this video. This video is on cultivation of bendi. Bendi is an edible fruit. It is used as vegetable in India, Brazil, Africa and many other countries. The roots and stems are useful for preparation of jaggery. It is also said to be useful for chronic dysenteries. India is the largest producer of bendi in the world. The bendi is believed to be originated from tropical and subtropical Africa and Asia. It has various names. In English, it is called as lady's finger or okra. In Hindi, it is called as bendi. Bendi is scientifically called Abelmuscus esculentus. It belongs to the family Malvaceae. Its chromosome number 2n equal to 130. The duration of bendi crop is 90 to 100 days. Bendi flowers are bisexual and often cross-pollinated species. Time of anthesis is 8 to 10 am. Decisions of anthers occur 15 to 20 minutes after anthesis. Pollen fertility is maximum in the period between 1 hour before and after opening of the flower. Flowers are solitary axillary and having about 2 cm long peduncle. Epicalyx has up to 10 narrow hairy bracteoles which falls before the fruit reaches maturity. Calyx split longitudinally as flowers open. Flowers has 5 yellow petals with crimson spot on flower. Staminal column is attached to the base of the petals with numerous stamens. There are 5 to 9 stigmas. Pentacarpellary fruits showing 10 seeds in locule, so that 2 seeds per locule. Abelmuscus esculentus is evolved by crossing. Abelmuscus tuberculatus is crossed with Abelmuscus ficulineus to produce F1. F1 developed was subjected to colchicine treatment to make it an amphidiploid. Bendi varieties are MDU1, Arka anamica, Arka abe, Prabhani Kranti, and the hybrids are Co1, Co2, Co3, Co-BHH1. Co-BHH1 hybrids are resistant to yellow vein mosaic virus. Soil. Sandy to clay soil supplied with enough organic matter and with good drainage are fit for bendi cultivation. Its ideal pH for growth is 6 to 6.8. Planting can be done during June to August and February. Seed treatment with Trichoderma viridae at 4 gram per kg or Pseudomonas fluorescens at 10 gram per kg of seeds and again with 400 gram of Azospirillum using starch as adhesive and dried in shade for 20 minutes. Preparation. The land should be well prepared by 1 deep ploughing, 3 to 4 normal ploughing. Apply FYM 10 kg, neem cake 1 kg, super phosphate 100 gram and Furidon 10 gram per square meter during last ploughing. Irrigation. First irrigation is required at the initiation of first leaf during summer. After fruit setting, water requirement is critical. Spray oxofluorophane at 0.15 kg per hectare or fluorochloroline at 1 kg per hectare on third day after sowing. Apply Azospirillum and Phosphobacteria each at 2 kg per hectare mixed with 100 kg of FYM before sowing. Some of the insect and pest of bendy crops are shoot and fruit borer, sucking pests like jassite, whiteflies, red spider mites, root knot nematode. Major diseases of bendy are yellow vein mosaic virus, Cercospora leaf spot, causative agent Cercospora abelmasci, Fusarium wilt, which is caused by Fusarium oxysporum, powdery mildew. Pests can be controlled by spraying of Roger or Dimecron or endosulfan. The disease such as yellow vein mosaic and powdery mildew can be controlled by spraying systematic insecticides and karathane. Harvest can be done 45 days after planting. Fruits are harvested in tender stage at 1 to 2 days interval. Harvest the fruits when they attain maximum size but still tender. Fruits 6 to 8 cm long are preferred for export purpose. This is usually attained by 5 to 6 days after opening of flower. Harvest is done in alternate days.